Thank you. Thanks for all coming out. Congressman Adam Kinzinger from the 16th District of Illinois. I just returned from a deployment with the Air National Guard to the border. This was my fourth deployment to the border. 3 prior times were in Texas. Those were under President Obama. I think it's important to note that those were not controversial at the time. The Guard mission on the border has been ongoing for a very long time. When my friends on the other side of the aisle talk about the use of technology on border control, that is exactly what the National Guard does. It's a force multiplier for Border Patrol. In the case of what I did, we used cameras to see people at night, to be able to do that sensor technology and communicate with Border Patrol. And it's important to note also the Wisconsin governor just pulled my National Guard units from the border because he claims this is not rise to the level of national emergency, even though this has been going on and the Guard's been involved for a very long time. Active duty is on the border hardening the points of entry, which my friends on the other side of the aisle are quick to say are the real problem. And I agree, it's a problem. That's why active duty is down there to help to secure those areas. But I got to tell you why I think this rises to the level of national emergency. If this was just an issue of immigration, I wouldn't think so. But this is an issue of drugs and human trafficking. I think compassion and border security are not mutually exclusive. In fact, I think they can only exist with each other. I think when you have a secure border and you tell people to come to the United States the right way, you cut out the drug cartels and the cartel human trafficking. By the way, the cartels in Mexico make a lot of money on trafficking people over the border. And we all know the statistics that a significant number of women that are brought over the border are assaulted and raped in that process. If you tell them to do it the legal way, and you have border security that works, you dry out the cartels